Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing your Snapchat stories to everyone. This full guide will show you how to make your stories visible to a wider audience and share your moments with the entire Snapchat community. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small Bitmoji or a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile. Step 3. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on the gear icon to access the app's settings. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled View My Story and tap on it. You'll be presented with different visibility options for your story. Step 5. Select the Everyone option to make your stories visible to all Snapchat users. This allows you to share your moments with a wider audience and connect with more people. By following these simple steps, you can expand the reach of your Snapchat stories and share your experiences with the entire Snapchat community. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.